What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I got a few deals for you. Not a whole lot, and I also have a new tool from Metabo HTT, a rotary hammer drill that just came out. So let's start with the elephant in the room that all of you already know about. I didn't mention it in the video yesterday, and some of you had words for me, but I'm mentioning it now. The Ridgid mid-torque impact wrench kit. You guys already know what it is. Comes with a 4 amp hour max battery. This is the thing. I want to do my research on the mid torque before I said anything about it, because that doesn't necessarily mean that it's good just because it's cheap, right? The whole point of the channel is to tell you about good cheap tools. This does have an LSA, lifetime service agreement, which I do like. But yeah, this thing is actually quite good. And the interesting thing about it is it performs better with this max output battery than the old octane battery. Now, the Torque Test channel tested all this stuff out, and I'll leave a link to that up here in the upper right-hand corner. But yeah, what you do, it's a buy one, get one. Now, I'm pretty positive this is some type of, it's not, I don't want to say a glitch, but I don't think it's going to last past Monday. And what you want to do is just find the most expensive thing, which is this circular saw. Add that to cart, add both to cart, and then this whole kit breaks down to be $77.61. What I do is usually just I pick them up in store, and I have the one I don't want go to a different store and let it cancel out, and then I'll just go pick up this kit for $77.61. That is indeed crazy. And like I said, the numbers are good. 650 foot-pounds of breakaway, 500 foot-pounds of fastening. It obviously doesn't do that. But, you know, decent rankings. I mean, it's not up there with the Milwaukee. It's not too far off, though. It is not up there with the Metabo HTT or anything like that. But, man, for this price, $77 for this kit, man, that's crazy. So there you go with that. Don't forget, extra bucks. I'm over here at Acme Tools. So keep this in mind, too, because extra bucks is 3% cash back off of Acme Tools. If you've already used your Rakuten, like here at Acme Tools, we're getting ahead of ourselves. You already got your bonus. You know, don't do the 2% cash back. Come over here to extra bucks, sign up, get your $20 bonus for sign up and that 3% cash back. But at Home Depot, you already see it right here, 8% super cash back. But technically, it's not for tools. So we'll see how that go. But just try it and see what happens. If it doesn't work, oh well. If it does work, great. And you'll still get your $20 bonus for signing up. You can just use extra bucks for some other place. Unfortunately, they're not at Lowe's, but we already have Retail Me Now Rakuten for Lowe's. But you can do it at Acme Tools or just anywhere. It don't have to be for tools, man. I think they had, they had Old Navy and Adorama and stuff like that. Go get your cash back somewhere else. Moving on, Toolbarn has a new Metabo HTT promotion, and it's not even advertised like on their site for real. So. But if you go buy a bare tool, you get a free starter kit. That's back. So, yeah, there you go with that. Now, speaking of really good mid-torques, you're going to spend $189 and you'll get a starter kit. This is actually a really good deal. But when you compare dollar for dollar, man, you better go with this Ridgid all day. This Ridgid all day. Once this deal is gone, no, this is going to be a next best bet. This actually is, aside from the DeWalt, the best, it's the second best mid-torque impact wrench out there in the game. And again, it comes with the starter kit. And it's 4-hour battery. Once you put it on an 18-volt Metabo HTT tool, turns into an 8-amp-hour battery. So that's excellent right there. Don't forget, also with Toolbarn, you have your Barn Bucks. Sign up for that. And again, you have your Rakuten. Sign up using the link in the description. Get a $30 cashback bonus in addition to the 2% cashback. And there you go with that. Now, moving on. Just keep in mind whenever you're shopping, cross-reference with Lowe's. Lowe's generally has some lower price Metabo HTT stuff. I was trying to see if Acme Tools had like this, any, Metabo HTT buy one, get one, but they don't. But, you come over here, the reciprocating saw is only $179. Toolbarn, to my knowledge, does not price match, though. So, womp there. Another thing, Metabo HTT, this job site radio. It's really good. Last time I mentioned it in some videos, it was $99, and you got a free. I think it was 3 amp hour batteries, or maybe they were two. There were 2 amp hour batteries. They're new 2 amp hour batteries for the 18 volt tools. And to me, I mean, that was a really good deal, $99. But this is $79 tool only. That's not bad considering it's pretty good. Then you have this job site blower. This is the same thing, same deal. At $99, you buy this. You got the free batteries, but $79 still not terrible. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that. And then here we go again. Metabo HTT just came out with a new 36 volt rotary hammer drill. So 1 1/8 inch with a D handle, and clearly marked. We could see all 3 or 4 modes: drill, hammer, and this chisel. We see all of that there. One thing I do not see is like any like dampening, anti-vibration. So it might be kind of vibrating. That's one thing to keep in mind. But it's only $199. This is no real promotion. You gotta spend $799 to get this reciprocating saw, and it's just cheaper to just buy that thing. So I would not recommend going that route. But there you go. This thing produces 2.3 foot-pounds of impact energy, which is not bad at all. The only other one that beats that in a 1 1/8 is this 40 volt Makita, and that's $299. This also has a promotion, but you gotta buy 2 bare tools to get 1 free 4 amp hour battery. Again, I don't really think that's a great deal, but yeah, this is $299. This produces 2.8 pounds, I think, of impact energy. And this also is crazy because I don't know what's up with the pictures, but this thing rotates. The bit rotates and has an anti-vibration all through there, and it's water resistant. 3-year warranty. Now the thing about the Metabo HTT has a 1-year warranty. All their rotary hammers only have 1-year warranties. I don't like that. I like the lifetime stuff. This is 36 volts though. You can plug it into the wall and run it on a battery, but that warranty, man, just 1 year, that makes me uncomfortable. But Metabo HTT makes decent tools, but still, I would like to see a longer warranty on that. Then comparing it to the DeWalt 1 1/8 inch, it's $339. Produces 3 joules, which is 2.2 pounds of impact energy. So it's not as powerful as the Metabo HTT, but it does have higher RPMs. It does not say how many blows per minute it does. And also, one thing about these two I wanted to mention, they have auto shut-off. So yes, the reactive force control is what Metabo HTT calls it. So it says work safely as a RFC stops the motor before the entire tool jerks. So if it gets bound up, it'll stop automatically. Same for the Makita, it'll also do that. These are Japanese tools, of course. Now I knew DeWalt did not do that because it's an American tool. America, it ain't gonna do it. So this doesn't have that function, that safety feature, for $339. And then neither does the Milwaukee for $249. It also does not have that feature. But this produces, I think, 2.1 foot-pounds of impact energy. So this is the weakest one, but it has the highest RPMs. The Makita has the highest blows per minute. So anyway, you know, they're all going to be good. I will go with the ones that have the anti-binding technology, and plus, again, the Metabo HTT is the cheapest. So there you go. That's it for today's video. Quick one. Just want to show you guys the new tool and show you guys this thing right here. Oh, while we're at it though, when you add this to cart, if you think you're going to try to get a whole bunch of them, this is what makes me feel like it's a little bit of a glitch. All right, so you see when I made it 3, it completely changed from 91 per item to 163 per item and 138 per item. So yeah, it don't work. It don't work when you got to get one at a time, right? So that's what you have to do. You're gonna have to do multiple orders, and there you go. So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.